Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to learn about the SD-WAN software defined wide area network. Let's get started. In here I have drawn architecture built SD-WAN software defined network, and in here I will explain you how the concept of this SD-WAN software defined wide area network. It is important for you if you want to create network and you have many office in the headquarter and you have many brands. You want to transfer your data from your headquarter to your branch or vice versa. So you have to think how your data can be transferred from this office to another office. In here, I have the solution because the solution combine all of things such as software, network, and hardware. Okay, in here for SD-WAN combine all of things: software for command center, hardware in each device you need hardware, for example router, microtik, and extra. This is for hardware. And network or topology. Topology, it means how your data can be transferred through network. So all of this solution we call it with SD-WAN, software defined wide area network. SD-WAN is technology, and this technology has function to manage all network traffic WAN, wide area network, and this is very flexible and very smart through software, including routing, security, and bandwidth management. Just in one dashboard software, you can manage all of your traffic. For example, bandwidth management, routing, and security, just in one dashboard. If you can see on this architecture, SD-WAN in here, and this SD-WAN can manage all of this traffic from headquarters, from data center, from cloud, or from this network. You can see in here SD-WAN cloud. This is the core management and connecting to all locations. From this SD-WAN, all its devices can be connected and can be controlled centralized. You have through this headquarters to transfer data from here to this here. But for SD-WAN, you can transfer your data from this branch to this branch directly. This is the difference between SD-WAN software defined WAN and traditional WAN. Okay, I hope you understand the concept for SD-WAN. So if you use SD-WAN, so your data can be transferred very fast because the latency is very small. But if you want transfer your data using traditional WAN, so it makes high latency, so your data can be transferred in long time. Okay, I hope you understand about this concept. SD-WAN can be connected to cloud directly, but for traditional WAN you have to go to headquarters. After from headquarters, so you can connect to cloud. This is the concept of traditional WAN. But for this SD-WAN, your data can connect to cloud directly. And what the media transport for SD-WAN? You can use all media. You can see in here MPLS. You can also use internet or 4G, 5G or LTE. This is media transport for SD-WAN, and each of these has different character. I hope you understand for the concept for SD-WAN, software defined wide area network. It is different if you compare to traditional WAN. And if you think about the security for this SD-WAN, the location of security for this in edge devices. Okay, I hope you understand for this concept. The security location in edge devices, for example, router, it has a security. And if you want to connect to cloud as well has security. And it makes SD-WAN is very safe, is very secure. If you have any question about the concept of SD-WAN, you can comment on below in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video to your friends. See you next time and goodbye.